Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we are diving into a common frustration with the Windows search bar. You know that feelings when you are trying to find something on your PC but the search results get cluttered with internet suggestions. It can be really annoying. In this video, we are going to tackle that issue head on and show you how to optimize your search experience so you can find exactly what you need without the unnecessary clutters. So what we are gonna do here, that's the destination actually, the command prompt. What we are gonna do here, open the CMD, click on the Windows icon, then search for CMD, and as you can see here, there's a lot of internet result as well. But let's remove them. So we need to open the command prompt, but make sure open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Right now, simply you need to copy this and paste here. Now basically the registry editor, this command will add the explorer key and then forcefully activate the policy disable search box suggestions. So simply you need to paste this command and hit enter. The operation completes successfully. After applying this command, you need to restart your PC. So let me restart my PC first. So now, after restarting the computer, now whenever you search something, it will not give any suggestions related to the internet. See? And now if you want to disable this feature, simply you need to open the command prompt again, run as administrator. If you type here 1, it will enable this policy, and if you type here 0, it will disable the policy. So whether you want to enable it or you want to completely remove this, add or adding and delete, and then you can remove these things and then copy and then paste and then hit enter. The operation completes successfully. And now of course, after doing this, you need to restart your PC so your settings will be back. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. We hope this video helped you streamline your Windows search experience. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments what other Windows tweak or tutorial you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.